have upgraded our firmware to Android 3.1 to our user. Right now, it's available in Taiwan, US, and worldwide. So as you can see, Android version 3.1 over here. So what is the difference between 3.0 and 3.1? First, you can see the widget. You can scroll it larger as you want, horizontally and vertically. And another one is it's a scrollable recent apps. Another cool thing is it supports game controller. I'll show you again. So maybe you have to wait for a little bit. So right now, besides Motorola Xoom, we are the first one who launched Android 3.1. So Android 3.1 allows you to play games with microcontroller. It's pretty exciting. And it has a better video quality and better graphic performance. So and Google has done a lot, some improvement on 3.1. So we probably need to wait a little bit. So you can, if you connect it with the TV, you can play it.